This is the power cord for the machine. 220 volts power cord. These are signal lines. This is the indicator light. It is an independent socket. It's different. Just plug it into the hole according to the direction of the socket. There are 3 links, 2 links and 4 links. This is a solenoid valve. This is the video signal cable. This is the power cord. This is the video cable of the monitor. This is the conveyor pipe for the screws. This screw is a pipe. This screw comes down here. No screws here. The screw comes down here. This is the conveyor pipe for the screws. This one. This is the conveyor pipe for the screws. This is the control handle of the machine. It's all in English. You can change the language in this. It can be changed to English. The screw is in the trachea. This trachea goes down through here. Go through this pipe. Go down here. To go through this sensor. The trachea has to go through the sensors. This is the wiring part at the back of the machine. And this is the trachea. External trachea. Get it over here. This is the main entrance to the trachea of the machine. This one. This is the barometer. Two tracheas here. These 2 tracheas are connected here. Get it over here. One is for this. This is the handle signal cable. This joystick. This is the controller handling of the machine. This is the signal cable of the operation handle. This is a vibrating disc. Just pour the screws in. Do not exceed this screw. This is to adjust the vibrating feeder. Adjusting vibration feeder. We just adjust this voltage and frequency. Click the middle. Click again. Don't adjust this casually. It has been set by the factory, so don't adjust it again. We only adjust voltage and frequency. U is voltage, F is frequency. Rotate left and right for debugging. This is the controller of the vibrating plate. It controls this. This controller is to control this screw vibrating feeder. Only adjust voltage U and frequency F. We have adjusted it before leaving the factory, so don't adjust it anymore. Let's take this parameter. And then these are the cylinders. This cylinder is clamped. Clamp that module. Clamp the cylinder of the LED module. This is the support seat. Just put these under that module. This is the support seat. This is to support the LED module. This is a CCD camera. This is a monitor. This has a focal length. This can adjust the focus. Rotate to adjust focus. This is the motor. Locking motor. The motor for the lock screw. The trachea comes in through here. Then the sensor. The sensor senses. And then it comes down. Then come here. Then this drill bit is responsible for locking the screws. This is a depth lock screw, using depth lock screw solution. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis, the two y-axes, an x-axis. This is the cylinder. Move the cylinder up and down. The high precision screw is used inside. It's made of screws. Many are belts on the market. We use screws. Life, stability, and accuracy are relatively high. And then this is the split staple test. It's a screw. Click the screw over there and it will be sent. But now, there are no screws. There are no screws here. I pressed this. I should send a screw here, but now, there are no screws here. This is for M1.7 screws. This is a screw for M1.7. There is lettering M1.7 on it. This track is a screw suitable for M1.7. This is the emergency switch. This is the motor test. This is motor rotation. I click this. Click this. It will rotate. Look, it's spinning. Press this to move the upper and lower cylinders. The meaning of the upper and lower heavy locks. Ray lock. This is the reset key. Press the reset button and it goes back to the origin if it's there or anywhere. Press the reset button and it returns to the origin position. Press the reset button. It's already at the origin. It's at the origin. It doesn't move. This is stopping. This is stopping. This is the start. Stop and start keys. Something like this. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at any time, jaimes.com. This is a screw vibrating feeder. Spiral conveyor, and then the trachea cord. That wraps up the video introduction to the machine. See you next time.